within the next 60 seconds, I will give you my perspective on what is needed to actually launch and have success in your online business here in 2024. So first of all, you need the right mindset. You need to get into a mindset that are ready to actually perspective what is out there that can be done, and also have the mindset of going out and taking action. Secondly, you need to create a plan. You need to go out and find somebody who's already done it that you can model after and get structured training for you to have success in your online business. And thirdly, harness the power of AI. We are here in 2024 and AI has exploded, but with all the options and opportunities that are out there with AI, it can be actually hard to get into all these different platforms. So go out, find an AI agent that you trust and believe in so you can harness the power of AI. So with those 3 key ingredients, you are ready to take your online business, either launch it or take it to the next level. So with that in mind, I'll see you on the next video.